Okay, for some reason, we're getting a 502 on some of these, and some of them we're not. I've got to look at that and see what's going on. But if you look right here, and you know, it's strange that it's doing it on so many of it, but when you want to, one, this should be under engine, not under wheels. But in this right here is the Pulsar M250. So if I want to connect a part to this right here is the crankshaft. So I can come over here to the parts thing, and I can say, okay, this is a crankshaft. So these are the parts that are inside the crankshaft. Whoa, where's the crankshaft? So we say, okay, this is our part number here. So I come down here and I say, okay, I'm going to connect a part to this. So I say the part number, then then I come over here and take the name. And then I'll say quantity is 1, right? Let's see, the quantity is 1. And then the price, I don't know what the prices are. And you know, the motorcycle is the Pulsar 250. So, and then you hit save. And then that connects it, that's 1. And then you would add the next one. So the next one is this part right here. So I can come over here and say, open part number and the name, and I've got to set this motorcycle up different because you've got more than one motorcycle too. We don't need the image. Well, you can add an image if you want to. I'm just not adding it right now. Then you hit save, and now you've got 2 parts in here. So now if I hit save, then it will save those 2 parts I've got added. And you know, you just have to go through here, and then you can also export these. So you can come in here, and I can say export. I can say export it as a XLS, whatever you want to export it as. And now I can look, and if that, for some reason those couple that aren't opening up, for whatever reason, if we look right here, we might be able to figure out why they're not opening. You know, some of them don't have the parts in there. Maybe it's a part reason, or something's causing those not to open. But I'm going to look at that and see if I can figure those out. But you can come in here, see, this is number 11. So I can come right here and I can say 12, 13. And then I can grab this right here, and I can just come down through here and add as many of those as I want. I can come over here. I can come up here to the top right here, and I can copy and paste this entire thing. I can start right here and just copy and paste every single one of these into this file right here. I got to add a slug in here, and then I can set up the entire thing right here on this thing, and then just bulk upload all of them. But we've got to get all these parts in here. So I'm trying to set up the links and all now, but this should help you get an understanding of what's going on with it.